I'm talking about page 17, question 11. This question talking about that this month Sally spent 7 over 18 more than last month. Then last month Sally spent 900. Okay, you are finding the increase in her expense this month. The increase only. So the increase only use last month. Okay, you spend Sally spent 7 over 18 more, so just 900 times 7 over 18, so it is equals to 350. Okay, because the question requests you to find the increase only. Okay, question 12. Talking about that, Andy used 5 and 5 over 6 liter of water, okay, to grow the plant. Then he used 8 and 1 over 3 liter of the water to wash the dish. How much water did Andy use? That means the total only. So the total, okay, then you add up the two fractions. Then you will calculate for this one. And then for the word problems, you must answer the questions. You can either answer it to give me the topic sentence. This one is the topic sentence. Or you can either to answer it, okay. Lastly, here, therefore, the increase in her expense is 350. Okay, either you choose one to answer it. That is okay for word problems. So let's move to question 13. Okay, question 13 talking about that in a farm, the total numbers of chicken, ducks, and geese is 396 total numbers. Okay, if 5 and 11 and 1 and 1 if 5 over 11 and 1 over 6 of them are chicken and ducks respectively, so this word respectively 係解分別地。Okay, that means, okay, you see two words and here and, okay, so followed by it, the first one should match as the first one. So 5 over 11 should match chicken. Okay, the 1 over 6, okay, the number followed by the n match the number match the things followed by the n, so the duck is 1 over 6. Okay, then you need to find the number of geese. That means goose, the plural form of goose. Or so the rest is the geese, so you use 1 minus 5 over 11 minus 1 over 6 is the fraction represent geese. Then you times the total, so here is the total 396. Then you can find that's the number of geese. Okay, then do it step by step. Here, final answer 150. The last question, question 14, okay, maybe a little bit difficult. Okay, you can put a star for it. Okay, let's read the question together. Sandy spent 7 over 10 of her pocket money to buy 4 apples. The remaining amount, okay, can be used to buy exactly 4 pears. Okay, given that the price of an apple is 5 and 3 over 5, then you need to find the price of a pear. Okay, the whole questions, you don't know that the pocket money. So the first thing you need to find out is the pocket money. Okay, I let x, because you don't know the pocket money, I try to let the unknown, okay, be the pocket money. Let x be the pocket money. Okay, so the sentence 7 over 10 of her pocket money to buy 4 apples. Okay, x is the pocket money, and then 7 over 10 of it is talking about the money for buying apples. Okay, so 5 and 3 over 5 is the price for each apple, so you times 4. Okay, then you try to solve the equations, try to find the x. Okay, maybe you can use the balancing equations. Okay, I skip some steps. Here you want to find the x, so here you need to cancel out the 7 over 10, so you should divide it by 7 over 10 on both sides, so you can jump to these steps. Okay, so this one cancel out, you will have the unknown x on the left hand side, and then the right hand side you need to calculate step by steps. So we say that you're solving the equations by balancing the equation. You divide it by 7 over 10 on both sides. Okay, then you can find that the pocket money is $32. You need to find the price of a peer. Okay, so you Sandy spent 7 over 10 of her pocket money for the apples. The remaining should be 3 over 10 of the total pocket money. So total pocket money is 32. Okay, then the remaining the remaining is 3 over 10 of the total pocket money. So you want to find the price for each peer. So 32 times 3 over 10 is the price for 4 peer. So you divide it by 4, you'll get the answer of each peer. That is 2.4.